everyone, this is Jan. So what I am doing is I have some videos I need to get going, and so we're going to start off with the first one. This is from ferriswheelpress, and this should be my Lord of the Rings items that I had bought. My unboxing video. Yes, I know I'm using a what right angle? Okay, this is well worth it. Okay, so I have bought Lord of the Rings ink, and this is the green one. I didn't really want the red one, I wanted to get the green one. And this is, oh, there we go, boom. Okay, gold. There you go. This is it. This is the fountain pen ink. All right, this is the green one. Because I didn't want the green pen, I only wanted the ink. All right, cool. Because I wanted to have the pen that was silver, which is what? Gandalf. Alright, so here we go. This is the pen. Now this pen has two nibs. They have a regular nib, I went for the medium, and then it has a calligraphy one as well. Really looking forward to using that. Won't be anytime soon, but when I get my room done, it will look fantastic. So there you go. Okay. Very much like the Superman one, you have established. Okay. I want you to look at it. There you go. And you can see the motif that is around it. Right? I'm showing it to you and I haven't seen it myself, so let me one moment. Oh, it's Gandalf's staff. And sword and pipe. Okay, so let me go ahead and see if I can show it to you. Okay, here's the staff, and here's the pipe, and here's the sword. This is a really nice pen. I really like it a lot. All right, so, and the nib has the Elvish written on it. Quite cool. Yeah, regular vacuum, fill it up type. All right, very cool. And I will look at the directions on how to change the nib later. But I'm quite happy about this guy. This was part of the Kickstarter. You can buy the pens, good luck on it, elsewhere at fountain pen stores because they have been selling out. This one was one of their most successful sellings that they were doing. You will not part with an old man's walking stick, Gandalf. Smart, like that. Very, very good. All right, and you also have the Gandalf symbol right down there. Silver. You have Dawning Silver. You have the horse that's in the front. You have what it looks like. There you go. We were able to do the Kickstarter. They also had this because we had hit $1 million in purchase. And they said, do you want the digital or do you want the hard copy? I'm like, going hard copy. And so I did the hard copy. And this is to help you write in Elvish. I know, quite happy about that. And let me look at this. I'm still going to put tracing paper on top of this. It goes to have copies of it for myself. Ooh, okay. I like this. Right, if you look at this, you can actually see the leaves that would hold the hobbits cloaks on that was Gandalf gave to them. All right, that's very cool. Oh, and here you go. It says on the inside. Yeah, I'm so going to get this copy so I don't, ruin it. Oh, okay, here you go. And practices. I had given my husband's niece, she wanted to know about how to do handwriting because they don't teach it at school anymore, even in Norway. And I went ahead and I said, okay, I'll get you some handwriting books because she wanted to write in that old fashion. Yeah, she hasn't. I grew up with it, but look at this. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip it with you. All right, there you go. I'm not going to do all of them. I'm going to have to see what the translations are to it. I think it's probably at the bottom. I don't know. Or maybe at the end. I don't know. But yeah, writing in Elvish. Actually, it's very much, oh, and practice paper. Yeah, I'm so getting this copy. This is never going to be written ever, like ever. I wonder where you could find the translations. I didn't see it either, right? Wait a minute, I can read this. I can read this, I know I can. Oh, it is what's on the ring. It's what's on the ring. Okay, then they want you to practice what is dark, and that is what's repeated. Okay, yeah. I am so going to get this copied. I believe this is what's on the ring. Let's see. You actually have a translation. Let's see. It says, welcome to the writing journey of the Elven Ring. Ah, boom. Told you. Practice your script with the foundational lettering sheets inside the inscription from the one ring that has been copied out by letter. Perfect for making the most of your bourgeon pen and calligraphy nib set. Once you have familiarized yourself with each letter, put your skills to the test with the entire inscription. Additional blank lettering practice sheets have been provided in lieu of repeating characters. You've taken the first step, now let your creative flow and write like legends do. You know what I would have liked? I'm just going to go ahead and Ferris wheel. It was great. Love it. I'll get a copy for myself. It's not being given to anybody else. No, this is for myself, so if I want to practice, I can practice. You can also put tracing paper on top, but I also know fountain pens don't really work well on that. I just don't see myself ever writing in this because I like it a lot. But now I just wish that the monologue that Gadriel says at the very beginning, the first Lord of the Rings, that would have been great. To also say who was the 9 kings, who was the dwarves, you know, where, you know, they each got their rings. Or even giving a little hint, was it the power, rings of power? That would have been great too, with her beginning monologue that she says at the beginning of that one. Or even the description from her brother of light and dark. That would have been great as well. Ah, so close. But everything else was fantastic. Don't get me wrong. Yeah. Thank you very much. I love it. Yes, I bought it. Oh, I just want to show you. Let's see, on this ink. So you have the Elvish, there you go, and you have Frodo, and it looks like that is the boat either to go over to drop off the ring over in Mount Doom, or for the Grey Sails. And then on the other side of the ink, you have Gandalf coming into the Shire to see Frodo. Actually, it wasn't completely Frodo. It was Bilbobaggins, but you know, it's perfectly fine. All right, that's about it. All right, this is great. All right, excellent.